Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to show you how to make a dust cleaner or a room cleaner, you can say. This is a 12-volt DC motor, and it has got a fan attached to it. You see, this is a multimeter. We are going to use it later. This is a hot glue gun. This is some tape. This is a bottle, but we have cut it. These are two pieces of a bottle. This is a large bottle. So guys, we are going to fix this motor here like this by using some hot glue, and then we are going to fix the upper part of this bottle with its lower part. So guys, we are going to fix this motor with this bottle. So guys, we have fixed this motor with this lower part of the bottle. Now we are going to fix this upper part with it by using some tape. So guys, we have fixed these upper and lower parts of the bottle together, and now it's almost ready. Now we are going to make it a little more attractive now. You know guys, we have to put we have to fix this with this so that the dust we clean, the dust we pick up from the ground gets stored inside this larger bottle. So guys, in order to fix this with this large bottle, we have covered this smaller bottle with a bag, and then we have put some tape on it so that it gets fixed properly. And now see, it gets fixed in this. Had we not used this bag, we wouldn't have been able to do this. These are its two wires. There is a little hole under this bag. From that hole we have brought these wires out. So guys, you see this part is ready now, and this is a handle. We are going to fix it here, because so that we can use it efficiently. And do you know what? We have cut this, and we have made that handle out of this. This is a plastic piece. No, you can use anything. You see, we are fixing. You see, this is fixed now. Guys, this is a charger of a laptop, and this is its adapter. It takes in 240 volts and gives out 19 volts. So we are going to check it out by a multimeter first. You see, this is approximately 19 volts. Not this time. When it's connected properly, then it shows 19 volts. You see, this time. So now let us proceed. So you see, we can pick this up using this handle. So let us use this now. So guys, this is the pin of that charger. The inner part of this pin is the positive terminal, and the outer part of the pin is the negative terminal. So guys, we have fixed that these wires in that pin, and now we are going to switch this on. So let us switch it on. So we have switched it on. Guys, we had forgot to cut this bottle here. So let us cut it here first. So guys, we have cut it here. You see, because if some air doesn't come out from here, then it won't be able to clean the dust. So guys, let us try now. Let us switch this on. You see, it is picking this litter up. This is more efficient than, guys, instead of sweeping, we can use this cleaner. This is very efficient. So we won't have to sweep our rooms. So this is very clean now, very clean. More clean than pure glass. You see, all the litter has got accumulated in this bottle. And you know why we didn't cut it fully? Because had we cut it fully, all the litter would have come out of this, and that would have fallen again onto the ground, and so that's why we haven't cut it fully. You see, all the litter has got accumulated here. So thank you for watching our video, and if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel to watch more exciting videos like this. And if your friends are passionate about it, please share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions, then comment below in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you so much.